Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll take a look into Thymeleaf message expressions. Well, message expressions let you externalize common text into properties file. Well, instead of repeating the same common text in all the Thymeleaf templates, what we can do is we can create one properties file and we can define all the common text in that properties file, and then we can use message expression to access the common text from the properties file. And here is the syntax for message expressions. Hash within a curly braces, we need to pass the message property key. For example, let's say you have a welcome message that you want to show on every view. However, hard coding this message on all these views is a bad idea. Alright, so overcome to this problem, Thymeleaf provides message expressions to externalize this common text in a properties file, and we can use message expressions to access the common text from the properties file. For example, we can create a message.properties file and we can keep these properties like app.name and then value, welcome.message and then value. Okay, so we can keep a key value pair in a properties file and we can use a key to access the value by using message expressions. And if you can notice here the example, hash within curly braces, we pass the key is a app.name, and this key is coming from properties file. Okay, now let me demonstrate the usage of message expressions step by step. So let's go to IntelliJ IDEA and let's first create a one properties file. So go to resources folder. Within that, let's create a file and let's give name as messages.properties. Perfect. And within this properties file, let's define key value pair. For example, let's give key name as app.name and let's give value something like Spring Boot Thymeleaf application. This is the app name, and then let's give a welcome message. So let's type key value pair here, welcome dot message is the key, and let's give value as hello, welcome to Spring Boot application, something like that. Next, let's create a handler method that returns the Thymeleaf template view. So go to user controller, and within user controller, let's quickly create a handler method. So let me write the comment handler method to handle message expressions request, something like that. Alright, and let's type the method public and the return type of the method is string, and let's give a method name as message expression, and then let's annotate this method with @get mapping annotation to handle HTTP GET request with the URL message hyphen expression. Okay, so whenever user hit this link in the browser, for example this link, then this handler method will get called, and then this handler method will return the message expression Thymeleaf template view. So here just return a Thymeleaf template view name, that is message hyphen expression. Next, let's go and let's create a message expression Thymeleaf template, and then let's see how to use message expressions. So let's go to templates folder and then let's create a HTML file and let's give name as message hyphen expression. Perfect. Let's give title as message expressions. Next, let's define the XML namespace for this HTML page. So go to HTML element and here just type XML namespace :th equal to http and then www.thymeleaf.org. Okay, perfect. Next, go to body. Within the body, we are going to use a message expression to access the property key. So here just type h1 element, and here let me give a page heading something like message expressions demo. Next, let's use h2 element over here, and within h2 element just type th:" text Thymeleaf attribute, and then let's use message expression syntax. The syntax is hash within a curly braces, we need to pass property key. For example, if you go to messages.properties file, here we have a property key that is app.name. So let me copy this key and go to message expression.html file and paste it over here. Alright, similarly let's print a welcome message as well. So here let's have h2 element and then th:\text Thymeleaf attribute and then message expression syntax hash within curly braces, and just go to message.properties file and just copy this key and go back to message expression page and paste it over here. And notice here the syntax of message expression hash within a curly braces, we need to pass a property key here. Okay, and this th:\text Thymeleaf attribute, so this attribute will basically evaluate this expression and it will print the result. Okay, now let's go and let's run the Spring Boot application and let's see the demo of this message expressions. So let me start the Spring Boot application. Alright, and go to user controller and just grab this URL and go to browser and just paste this URL and hit enter, and there we go. You can able to see the app name as well as a welcome message successfully printed over here. If you go to our Spring Boot application and go to message.properties file, we have given app name as Spring Boot Thymeleaf application, and if you go to browser and if you can able to see the app name is successfully printed, and go back to our application and go to properties file, and if you can notice the welcome message, hello welcome to Spring Boot application, and go to browser, here you can see hello welcome to Spring Boot application. It means that we have successfully used a message expression to access the properties key value. Okay, if you go back to message expression file, you can see we have used the message expression to access app name as well as welcome message. I hope you understood how to use the message expressions in a Thymeleaf templates. In next lecture, we will see how to use link expressions. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.